This is the trick. My grandpa kept to himself for years. 1. Pour boiling water over the weeds. Wait overnight and the weeds will completely wither and die. 2. Attach a brush to the side of a sliding gate. While opening and closing the gate, it will clean debris from the track at the same time. 3. Attach a spoon to a caulk gun. Even if you're not a professional, you can still apply sealant evenly and neatly. 4. You don't need a compass to draw a circle. Hold a marker with your middle finger. Slowly rotate the cardboard and you can draw a perfect circle. 5. Put tape around a paint roller. Pull out a section backward and align it with the area to be taped. Push the roller forward and you can apply the tape quickly. 6. When wooden flooring cracks at home, the smooth surface makes it hard to apply force. Use double-sided tape to create a pulling point. Attach a small wooden block and tap it gently, and the repair can be completed easily. 7. Don't struggle to install rubber rings. Fold a rope in half and pass it through the rubber ring. Place it around the pipe fitting, pull both ends of the rope, and the installation is done. 8. Cut off the bottom of a plastic bottle. Put it over a chair leg. Heat it with a heat gun until it shrinks and the chair legs won't get damp or oxidized anymore. 9. A tape measure is convenient, but sometimes it can't accurately measure a right-angle edge. Place a piece of cardboard on top while measuring, and you can get the exact size.